Hello students, this is your Parthosa and today I shall explain your assignment number 25. That is basically simple program to illustrate an Java exception handling mechanism using try-catch block. Okay. Now what is called an exception? Basically in Java, exception is an object that describes an exceptional situation or exceptional condition that may occur in your program. Say in this example, this is a simple division program in which if you put the value of b as a 0, that will make this program out from here. Okay, that means the rest of the program will not execute. But the thing is, this rest of the program may contain some very valuable information that you have to encounter at last. Say for an example, you need to shut down one file or any kind of connections that you created earlier. Okay, so this is a basic program. Say we try to run it. Okay, for compilation, okay, just go there, and for run, okay, run it. Enter two numbers. You are giving say 6 2, and that's running perfectly. Say again you are giving say 8 2, that's again running perfectly. Now again you are say giving say 0 8, okay, the division is 0 perfectly. But the thing is, when you are giving say your b, then it becomes exception occurs and thread main, and that for that it is not executing the rest of the part, and it is escaping from here to the out of this program, from here, from this operation to the out of this program. Now it's a problem. Okay, now obviously you need a mechanism that will somehow manage this kind of situation. So in this case you need to use a try block. Okay, that's mean a try, within this try block you are actually expecting some exception. Okay, and the immediate block of this try will be a catch block. Okay, in catch, say you have written, okay, this one, exception code. Okay, so save it and go to this previous one. Okay, then again you need to compile as you have changed in your source code, and then just compile and then run it. Okay, enter two numbers, say 4 2, giving perfectly. Now say 8 0. Okay, so in that case, in previous example we got an exception, but here obviously exception occurred and you caught it, exception caught by me, and this is end of the program. That's mean go to this here, it is escaping from here, that's for sure, but this is being caught in this block. Okay, it's not escaping from the whole program, and it is caught within this one. Okay, now obviously this technique, using this exception e and all this thing technique, you can caught all kind of exceptions, whether it's a runtime exception or whether it's a compile time exceptions, anything. Say you have another type of exception, say array index out of bound exception. Say for an example, this say int arr equal to new t say mm, say 2. Okay, next if you write down k error say c equal to say this one. Okay, that's mean you want an array item, say enter array item. Okay, then say my a error c. Okay, so save it. Now this is another type of exception in which I'm not saying sorry, it's not another type of exception. This is another type of exception that you may encounter. In this case, if the uh, what is the size of your array, it's 2. That's mean you are creating 0 1 and 2 position. Now if the value of c somehow is greater than the 2, then obviously this value you have not created. Okay, for that you may encounter another type of exception that is called array index out of bound exceptions. The first exception is basically an arithmetic exception. That is specifically you can say this is a divided by 0 exception. Okay, and this one is you may in array index out of bound exception here. And in this technique, whatever may be the type of exception, you must got it here. Okay, so you just save it. Okay, and go to the previous one. You need to compile as you have changed in your source code. Okay, compile it. Okay, then run it. First say 4 say 2. Okay, then enter array item, say 5. Okay, now the thing is you have created only 0 and 1 position for that array. Okay, and at the time of entering array element you are actually want index position of 2 which is not been created. Okay, that is why this kind of exception occurs. Okay, now if you put here say at here say e is basically used to show what kind of exception it is. Okay, go there again, compile and again run. Okay, say for example first I am encountering the divided by 0 exception, arithmetic exception. Okay, exception called by me, and this is my exception, divided by 0 exception, arithmetic exception, and then end of program. And in the second case, if it is runs perfectly, so this and this, okay, in that case it's not occurring. Okay, now if you write down say 9, okay, now again exception occur, but this exception is basically array index out of bound exception. Okay, so you are actually want the position of 2, but you have created only the position 0 and 1 for that array. Okay, so that is the first solved assignment of your assignment number 25. Okay, thank you students.